Hey there, Mark Viana here, MVP Lending. Again, just want to give you a quick little rundown of what we specialize in, which is non-QM lending. So first off, hey, QM lending is qualified mortgage, stands for qualified mortgage, and that is FHA loans, conventional loans, jumbo loans, VA loans, USD loans. If you do those loans are for folks who can qualify based on for the mortgage based on their income. So if you've got W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns if you're self-employed, and you can add that information up, and debt income ratio typically doesn't exceed 43%, sometimes 45%. You'll be able to qualify for a qualified mortgage, again, based on your credit score, okay? Now, what we specialize in is non-QM lending. So what non-QM lending is, people that are a little bit outside that box. So for example, if you got someone who is a truck driver who's 1099 and they make a boatload of money 1099, but because they are self-employed, they write off all kinds of stuff on their taxes, so their tax liability is like super duper small, so they probably can't qualify for a traditional mortgage with their tax returns. So for us, we can actually use their 1099s, even 1 year 1099s, to be able to qualify them, okay, to purchase a home. If you've got someone who is a landscape architect, okay, and they are paid with personal checks, or they're paid with a lot of cash, and they deposit to, say, their personal account or a business account, we can help them as well, okay? Again, provided they have enough of a down payment, credit score, all that normal stuff applies, guys. Again, I don't want to pretend that, we're going to be able to do some with a 500 credit score and 5% down. That's not realistic, okay? So one more example I will give you is someone well, two more examples, I'm lying. Two more examples I'm going to give you is someone who has an individual tax identification number, or an ITIN. So for someone like that, they don't have a traditional social security number, but they've got an ITIN that has been issued by the U.S. government. We'll take a little piece of paper that they get in the mail that shows their ITIN number. We can qualify them with 1040s using their ITIN number, their credit report using their ITIN, or if they are self-employed, we can use, again, that credit report. That paper shows they got the ITIN issued by the government, and bank statements covering 12 months, okay, most recent 12 months. And we can get them a loan, approve them for a loan based on their deposits, okay? Last one is going to be investors. This is kind of a big one right now for a lot of us out there. Client maybe has too many properties, and they can't refinance their property because they want to pull some cash out and they want to purchase another property, okay? Or maybe they're doing a rehab property. It's going to be a flip. If they decide they want to hold on to it, we can refinance them out of that hard money loan and put them into a brand new non-QM bank statement loan, or a no ratio investor loan, meaning we don't care about their employment information. All we care about is their credit score, money in the bank, and loan to value, okay? We have that same kind of program for an owner-occupied property as well. Again, don't care about the income, but we care about the credit score, money in the bank, and loan to value, okay? Those are three things that are going to be the most important. So again, non-QM is what we specialize in. So again, this is going to be qualified mortgages. This is hard money loans, okay? Private party stuff, higher interest rates. That space in between my head, right there, that space in between that's represented by my head here is non-QM lending, which is what we specialize in, okay? We'd love to be able to help you, your clients. We'd love to be able to partner up with you specifically. Maybe you're looking for something yourself, or you've got a buyer and or seller who is looking for some help. Maybe they got turned down somewhere else for whatever reason. We'd love to be a second set of eyes to be able to help you get that transaction closed and be the hero to your client. All right. Again, this is Mark with MVP Lending. Looking forward to working with you soon. 714-602-1334. Again, 714-602-1334. Take care.